How to fix iPhone 14 camera quality. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually fix your iPhone 14's camera quality, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to actually fix your iPhone 14's camera quality, all you have to do is, first of all, if you have any type of dust in your camera, front or back both, I just recommend you to actually wipe them off, because wiping off your lens is also going to help you prevent any type of blurriness that you have inside of your iPhone's camera. Then after that, you want to simply open the camera app. You can see my back camera is actually working just fine. I'll also show you a couple of tips on how you can increase its quality later on. And then you can also see that my front camera is actually super smooth, and now I can actually change that as well. So basically what you want to do is you can just open settings, and then you can basically go to the option called general fresh. Then you can just go to transfer or reset iPhone, go to reset all settings, reset all of the settings. This will reset any type of settings that you've made for the camera app as well. Now after you do that, we're going to install some fresh settings. So for that, we're going to go to the option called camera or the camera app. Then you can see formats basically, and you can see my camera capturing is at high efficiency, which means that my photos and my videos are going to be in high efficiency. And if you have the iPhone 14 Pro Max, then you can actually use the new 108 megapixel camera. So you can see Pro RAW resolution, you can see 48 MB, 12 MB. This is for the front camera of web basically. Or you can just come back and then you can see Apple Pro RAW as well. You can just basically select it for 48 megapixels. Yeah, then you can come back, then you can select record stereo sound. You can see record video at 4K at 60 fps. I really wouldn't recommend the 4K, because of course you're actually watching on a 1080 pixel screen, so just recording it at 4K and then importing it to a device is going to help your job done. But I personally like 1080p at 60 fps, which is not going to cause too much heat, and the difference is also not that noticeable. But if you think this is the option for you, you can do that. And you can so enhance stabilization, action mode, power light, HDR video, auto FPS, so you can select auto 30 and 60 fps or whatever else you prefer. You can also lock the camera as you would like. And after that, you can just scroll down. You can turn on mirror front camera, view outside frame, or whatever else you prefer based on your own needs. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.